Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into something every beachgoer needs: the powder pouch surf brush for sand. If you're tired of bringing half the beach home with you, this might just be your new favorite accessory. This isn't just any old sand remover. It's touted as the best powder pouch available. Designed by Powder Pouch, this clever device promises to revolutionize your beach experience. It's compact yet powerful, designed to effortlessly brush off sand from your skin with its unique beach sand powder. Whether it's your feet, hands, or any part of your body, this surf brush makes quick work of sand removal, leaving you clean and comfortable in seconds. Unlike rough towels or uncomfortable brushes, this powder pouch provides a gentle yet effective way to rid yourself of sand, leaving your skin smooth and irritation-free. Designed for longevity, the refillable pouches mean you can use it trip after trip, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Imagine no more sandy car rides or gritty towels, just smooth, clean skin after every beach visit. Whether you're a parent with sandy kids or a beach enthusiast yourself, this product is a game changer. So, is the powder pouch surf brush for sand worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're preparing for a family beach day or just want a hassle-free way to enjoy the sand and surf, this product delivers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay sand-free and enjoy your adventures.